Hello everyone, back with Daniswin. Today we're going to talk about how you can import a SketchUp file into Blender. You can easily do it with an add-on called SketchUp Importer. You get the link in the description down below. Go ahead and download it and install it into Blender. If you don't know how to install it into Blender, you can also check our video on how to install add-on into Blender in the description down below. Now once you install it, now you can see an additional format on the import setting, which is SKP, a format for SketchUp, which enable you to import straight from SketchUp without have to export it to FBX or OBJ. And as you can see, all the material are attached. But it does have some limitation and some problem with it. Sometimes most of the objects come with the triangulated faces. Sometimes the object gets separated, even though in SketchUp it was a one piece. But don't worry, because I'm gonna show you how you can fix all of these things. First, let's talk about the separated pieces. You can combine them together with Ctrl G by selecting all of them and then pressing Ctrl G. Now, fixing the triangulated faces. You can easily fix this by hopping into edit mode and select everything, then pressing Alt J. And as you can see, the triangulated faces turn into quad. Now, to clean up any doubled vertices, you can simply select everything and then press Mesh, Clean Up, then Merge by Distance. And as you can see, just like that, we remove almost 2000 vertices. And the good thing is, this add-on doesn't only work with simple objects or smaller objects. No. You can import a whole scene with this add-on. You can simply work everything on SketchUp, make every model on SketchUp and then import it to Blender to final render it. Because you can easily do it now with this add-on. And as you can see, it imported all the material with it. Now if you see this problem, this is easily fixed in Blender. This is just a transparent material doesn't given a transparent shader. So just hop into shader editor and connect the image alpha to the alpha node. Then in the material setting, change opaque to alpha hashed. And just like that, it's fixed. And it's mostly all the common problem that you can get with this add-on. And with all of that out of the way, we are done with this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Bye!